Assalamualaikum, Doctor and my fellow friends. We are from Good Six. We will present about IFA signature marketing plans. Did you know a brand like Ijabista and Yana Rahman? Soon, IFA signature will be one of their competitors in the market. IFA signature is actually owned by Miss IFA Ashikin bin Azlan, 31 years old, and is founded in 2018. It was located in Kota Baru, Kelantan, and IFA signature is a trendy fashion clothing brand that produce women clothing like dresses, kima, tudung, and innerwear. And their product use high quality chiffon.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Mibuzeri and my metric number is 279349. Today, I'm here to talk about the marketing objective, performance goal, IFA signature. They have a set 3 main goals for their marketing effort. Let's start with the first goal, which is to enhance customer engagement and loyalty. IFA signature aim to increase website traffic by 50% over the next 6 months. By driving more visitors to their website, they want to provide more opportunity for our customer to explore their product, service, and brand offering. So now let's move on to the second goal. IFA Signature aim to expand into new market. They want to penetrate the Singapore market by the end of this year. To achieve this, IFA Signature recognize the importance of market research to understand the taste, trend, and needs of the target audience in Singapore. By conducting through market research, IFA Signature will gain valuable insight into the local market, including culture preference, size recruitment, and fashion trend. Once they have gathered the research finding, IFA Signature will concentrate a focus marketing strategy according to the Singaporean market. Last but not least, IFA Signature Boutique aim to improve brand awareness significantly. They want to ensure that their target audience, including exciting and potential customer, is more familiar with their brand. So they plan to achieve this by increasing the number of website and shop visitor by 30% within 6 months. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Please take it away.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Torik Albasetasmana. My matrix numbers is 276371. So today I would like to present about challenges of the company. So the challenges that companies have to make sure about this problem is the delivery of service. The method of delivering a parcel to customer is an important factor that any founder in any business must consider. So there are four points in here. The first one is we can call it like personalized service. So what is that? Providing personalized service to each customer can be difficult, especially because boutiques frequently have fewer employees than larger retail establishments. While managing multiple tasks at once, it may be difficult to provide individual attention and cater to specific customer preferences. And the second one is inventory control. We can call it in other words. So managing inventory in a boutique setting can be difficult. Why? It is critical to keep a well-curated inventory of product that correspond to customer preference and seasonal trends. And the third one is staff and staff training and knowledge. So boutique employees should be well versed in the product and brand they sell, and it can be difficult to keep employees up to date on the latest fashion trend, fabric types of fit and styling, and especially when introducing new collection of working with multiple designer. And the last one is we can call it maintaining consistent brand image. What is that? It is critical to deliver the boutique's brand image and customer experience consistently. It can be difficult to ensure that all staff members are aligned with the boutique's values, aesthetic, and customer service standards. And that's all from me for the challenges of the company. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we move to the competitor analysis in here. So the pricing in here is which are the competitor between Aifa is Hijabis Tahuf and Liani Rahman. So the Aifa Batuk is like for the pricing is over mid range pricing, like you can conclude it in the premium pricing. And for the Hijabis Tahuf is provides a range of price points, like offering options of various budget prevents. But for the Liani Rahman, because they are focused on a quality exclusivity on their design, so they are mostly the Liani Rahman is for the premium price. And the target audience, okay, so we can see that there are the difference in here between three of them. For Aifa is target women who prefer modern and trendy fashion choice. So Aifa boutique is the niche of the target audience in here is I think is between 18 and until 25 years old. And for the Hijabis Tahuf is catered specially to hijab wearing women seeking modest yet fashionable clothing. It is like the same like Aifa, but Hijabis is for all. And Liani Rahman is appeals to women looking for fashionable and modest attire. So Liani Rahman is focused on the luxury things like individual wearing hijab. And so the third one is brand identity. So brand identity is in here Aifa Hijab and Liani Rahman is there are a lot of common in here. So the modern and trendy is Aifa Boutique for the brand and identity. So the Hijabis Tahub is for the catering to hijab wearing women. And the Liani Rahman is known for its contemporary yet modest clothing, like combining elegance and with modern tones. Okay, so the fourth one is design and aesthetic. What is that? So design and aesthetic is like the aesthetic of the design of the three of them, which is the unique pattern and the hijab wearing visual. And then but the Liani Rahman, it's like the focusing on modest styles. But the last one is the customer experience. Aifa Boutique, Hijabis Tahub, Liani Rahman have the customer experience also, but the Aifa is strive to provide personalized customer service and a pleasant in-store shopping experience. And the Hijabis Tahub is prioritize customer satisfaction. So the Hijabis Tahub is like the experience of the customer, say that the customer has to make the prioritize for the satisfaction by offering efficient online ordering and prompt shipping. And Liani Rahman is aims to provide a luxurious and memorable shopping experience. So Liani Rahman is use the customer experience to improve their selling with the memorable shopping experience and provide a luxurious shopping experience. And so thank you. That's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum and good day to all. My name is Mashahira binti Zazali and my magic number is 277111. I'll continue to explain about the situational analysis. This term refers to marketers analyzing the scenario or perspective of a company's plan to their target audience. There are two components which are macro level external environment and product. Now I'll tell about the macro level external environment. It defines all those impact external environment aspects that have significant impact on businesses. All the external environment aspects must be considered by Aifa Signature Boutique, which may have an impact on the business. These are technological, economic, and demographic factors. First, technological factor. Nowadays, many businesses have changed the technology to maintain their services up to date. Aifa Signature also should advertise its closing products on social media because these platforms are popular. The company should have an official website for consumers to browse and see what Aifa Signature has offered. Next, economic factor. IFA signature needs to comprehend and analyze market supply and demand to recognize market prospects. The company continue to produce and design its product as long as the company can sell it more than its producing cost. Sometimes, prices can fluctuate for many reasons at certain times. The price of products sold by IFA signature may affect the consumer's purchasing, which known as elastic demand. In fact, consumers tending to switch brands if the price of products increases. To preserve consumer loyalty and analyze customer demand, IFA signature must keep its prices stable. Lastly, demographic factor. This factor includes the human population such as gender, age, income, size, lifestyle, and others. It's important for IFA signature to identify this level and consider the influence of trends. The company offers clothing products. Mostly it follows the current popular trend. Furthermore, for income level, it is a long-standing practice to measure the purchasing power. IFA signature has targeted different income customers which comes from B40 and M40 level. So the price for the products must be in line with customers' income without compromising on quality and style. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fazanan Ridna binti Muhammad Nizam and my metric number is 277 to Fasid. Today, I would like to present about SWOT analysis and my part is strength and weakness. For the strength of IFA signature, we have 5 strengths that we want to highlight here. And the first strength that we want to highlight in IFA signature is IFA signature has high quality products, which are the item produced by IFA signature are renowned for their high quality. Customers are prepared to pay more for dependable and well-made item. Thus, this strength may be a huge competitive advantage for IFA signature. The next one, the strength of IFA signature is strong brand reputation. In the market, IFA signature has developed a powerful brand presence. Customers are more likely to trust a firm that has a reputation of producing a high-quality, dependable goods. Long-term success may be facilitated by greater customer loyalty, repeat business, and positive word of mouth, all of which are facilitated by a strong brand reputation. Furthermore, the strength of IFA signature is diverse range of product. To meet the demands of the diverse range of product and interests of its customer, IFA signature provides a wide selection of goods. This diversity goods give the business flexibility and enables it to access various market niche, reduce reliance on a single product, and increase consumer two benefits or product lineup for. Other than that, a strong distribution network also is one of the strengths of IFA signature. With the help of a strong distribution network, IFA signature has made sure that clients can find its item. Lastly, the scale of workforce of IFA signature is one of the strengths of their company, which is a group of knowledgeable and experienced individuals work with IFA signature. The workforce, skills, and knowledge help to create high quality goods. Now, I would like to explain about the weaknesses of the IFA signature. The first one is signature is limited international presence, which is the market reach of IFA signature could be predominantly Malaysian. Due to its limited global reach, the firm may have fewer options for expansion and run the danger of becoming overly dependent on just one market. Other than that, the weaknesses of IFA signature is depend on the supplier, which for the raw materials, components, or other vital inputs, IFA signature may be reliant on the other's window or the outside window. Risks associated with this dependency include possible supply chain interaction, price changes, inconsistent quality, and delays. These risks can be reduced by creating alternative sourcing plans or strategic supply alliance. For example, in the concept of supply chain and disruption, because of its reliance on a small number of suppliers, IFA signature may experience difficulties obtaining the essentials input if any problems arise with those suppliers' business operations. Lastly, relatively high pricing is also one of the weakness of IFA signature. Due to its dedication to creating high quality goods, IFA signature may charge more than other companies that provide comparable goods. That's all from my part for strengths and weaknesses of IFA signature. Thank you so much.
A very good day to Professor. I'm Durgashini Kunasegaran with metric ID 285710, and I'll be continuing the presentation with SWOT analysis section of opportunities. So the very first opportunity that we can see on IFA signature is growing market demand. So as Malaysian consumer goods industry is actually expanding in terms of shifting its customer tastes and rising awareness of high quality items. First, since there is a broad selection of products, it's actually rising its manufacturing capabilities. Thus, there will be an increased consumer spending power, and this would be actually able to help in terms of economic. It helps to expand the economics and helps to increase the incomes also. So this greater purchasing power offers IFA signature chances to expand its market share and enhance income. The next point would be expansion into new markets is also one of the opportunities in IFA signature, as IFA signature may think of extending its reach into new geographical regions. Thus, by expanding into new geographic regions, they'll be able to conquer more places and more customers. And finally, is product diversification. IFA signature can also look into ways to expand the kind of products it offers by introducing new product lines and letting the experience of new customers. The next is chat. The very first threat of IFA signature is intense competitions. Since IFA signature would be competing with other fresh competitors and also existing businesses, the market share would be highly competitive. Thus, IFA signature must be able to survive in those kind of competitive environment. The next threat is economic downwards or economic factors. Since there is recession and financial crisis that's happening, it could be a great impact on IFA signature in order to be a standout in all the other types of markets. So the growth in sales and profitability may be hampered due to economic volatility. And the next is technological disruptions. IFA signature must have a very good technological and systems in order to produce its goods and business. Thank you.
My name is Bayani Zakira binti Hashim Bashir. My matrix number is 281447, and I will be presenting to you guys about the 5 C's target market. So the first one is customer. Company need to analyze customer psychographics like interests, value, attitudes, the demographics like age, gender, income, and location, and also behaviors to help companies better understand the customers. The second C is company. The business may better position itself in the market and set itself apart from rivals by comprehending its unique selling propositions, competitive advantage, and also the value proposition. Next C is competitor. Understanding competitors' offering, pricing tactics, and a lot more will help to determine their competitive advantages, evaluate potential threats, and look for differentiation of opportunities. Next is collaborators. Business can find chances for partnerships, alliance, or distribution channels that can expand their reach and efficacy in the target market by evaluating possible collaborators. And the last C is climate, which businesses can identify opportunities, potential dangers, and market trends that may have an impact on their marketing strategies and day-to-day operations by understanding the context. So from the 5C target market, IFA Signature Syndrome Berhad is targeted at the consumer market, which is B2C, which specifically targets a person to buy one of its product with the goal to use or consume it. For instance, IFA Signature Syndrome Berhad offers ready-to-wear outfits based on the customer's needs and the current popular trend. She also set up her business strategy plan by using the concept of first come, first serve. Hence, we can confirm that IFA Signature Syndrome Berhad target market is based on the consumer.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Abdul Shoaib. Okay, the next one is marketing mix strategy. IFA Signature should know what they can do for her company. For example, their pricing strategy, promotional strategy, and distribution strategy. This is because to achieve certain marketing objectives while considering aspects such as cost, competition, customer behavior, and market condition to help their company in the market. That's all. Okay, the next one is pricing strategy. First and foremost, IFA signature should know what's their value of their product. So from that, they can put the price and give the best price with what they give to the customer. This is can providing an identity and value to the customer. And the next one is penetration strategy. IFA signature set a low price first at the start to uh, to introduce their product or their company, so they can attract a new customer to their businesses. Okay, the next one is competition based strategy. IFA's initiative should study their competitors, why and what or when their competitors set the lower and set the price. Why? Because of what? So from that they can control their pricing. That's all. Okay, the next one is promotional strategy. IFA strategy can use this strategy
to give awareness, to remind, and to persuade their customer. Okay, for example, they can do advertising and digital marketing so they can raise awareness and give exposure for their new product. And iFast Signature can offer consistent discount for a certain period. From our interview, we gain that customers tend to buy during a payday weeks. So we can offer discount and voucher during payday week to attract their customer and to gain a loyal customer. So they can from that they can drive a sale. And lastly, seasonal sale for new product. For example, during a Hari Raya, they can give a sales or discount. So from that, they can attract a customer and attract a new customer. That's all for me.
Next is distribution channel. The first one is selling through retail outlets, internet platforms, e-commerce, distributors, and also direct sale. This could expand iFast Signature into new geographic region, target various client segment, and increase their customer base by finding and using a proper distribution channel. This could also guarantee an optimum product placement and availability, establish connection with distributors and merchants, and also online marketplaces. And then the next one is using Shopee and Lazada as one of online shopping platform. Shopee and Lazada are still in demand for certain people at a certain age to buy their needs and wants. People in the age range of 40 and above still using Shopee and Lazada as it used to be known as a trusted online shopping application. And then the third one is place marketing strategies connected to supply chain management. This may simplify supply chain operation and also cut the cost, shorten delivery times, and also increase overall operational efficiency by optimizing distribution routes. By doing this business can lower buying barriers, increase their customer convenience, and improve their experience.
What we can conclude is expanding their business reach into into domestic and internationally will define the real challenges and success. If they are penetrate into the market such as Singapore. Purchasing iFast Signature will guarantee you three things, which are better trend and luxury experience in the use of clothes and allowing the company to grow around domestic economy and better design clothing. And lastly, the chances to get the benefit from purchasing like loyalty programs such as promotion and discount. That's all from our group C. Thank you.